Okay, this big boy here is the new G-Shock GA700 BP1A. It's big, it's tough, and of course, it's beautiful. This model is without a doubt one of the best G-Shock to date. Okay, hello and what's up everyone? Yes, today we are very excited to introduce you to one of the best low-end G-Shock model, the GA700BP1A. This model was released in April 2022 and retails for $99. The interesting about this model is the use of classic Paisley motifs on the dial. But the G-Shock GA700BP isn't the only model to get this Paisley blueprint. There are at least 5 Paisley models released by Casio to grab the attention of new consumers. The G-Shock GA700 is one of the most successful analog digital G-Shock after it was released in November 2016. Since then, hundreds of variants or colors have been presented by Casio for the GA700 model. And we think this blue Paisley motif is one of the best variants presented by Casio for the GA700 model. Paisley is an ornamental textile design using a teardrop shape motif with a curved upper end. Of Persian origin, Paisley designs became popular in the West in the 18th and 19th centuries. And you probably won't believe us when we say this model only retails for $99. Well, that's right, you can get this fantastic model for less than $100. With a large and tough design, the G-Shock GA700BP is indeed here for men who crave an oversized watch. In total, there are 5 oversized buttons that you can access for all the functions on this watch. Just like other G-Shock models, the resin material is Casio mainstay in designing the GA700BP, which is very strong against various impacts. The G-Shock GA700 is quite famous for its oversized design with a width of 53.4mm from the left side to the right side of the bezel. Not only very wide, this model also comes with a very thick body that reaches 18.5mm. With this size, it will be quite difficult for you to find another G-Shock model that can match the size of the GA700. But what really surprised us was that it weighed only 69 grams. Of course, it is a very lightweight considering the oversized design of the GA700. And the secret from Casio managed to maintain a very lightweight of their G-Shock model, of course, is the use of resin materials. And not only very light in weight, the resin material is also known to be very strong when dropped or hit by hard object. By the way, the Paisley motif looks really fantastic on this G-Shock GA700BP. Combined with the oversized black bezel, this model really caught our attention. There's no doubt that the GA700BP model is one of the best low-end G-Shock that you can buy right now. For less than $100, this model will certainly be a good buy for you. But of course, there are some things you should pay attention to before buying this G-Shock GA700BP model. One thing that you should consider beforehand is the very basic features of this model like work time, timer, alarm, and stopwatch. This model is also only equipped with only one LED for lighting on the analog part. So there is no doubt that you will have difficulty reading the LCD display when it is dark. But again, this low-end model is still one that you should consider, especially if you need a watch with a low budget. Its strength and toughness remains an attraction for many. Moreover, this model has presented a very energy-efficient module with a 5-year battery life. Another unique feature is the dedicated stopwatch start button that will activate with one press from the timekeeping mode and a target time alert. It also features a 3D face design achieved by making the dial ring, and in this 3-dimensional to create synergy with the ball hands. Okay guys, that's our review for the G-Shock GA700BP1A model. For $99, this model is absolutely a great buy, especially if you crave a watch that is big and also tough. Hopefully this review has provided some of the information you need. Thank you for watching this video and please subscribe to support our channel and see you on our next videos.